face, but my feet still stay. Stand and meet zinc I light. I'm so still holding a little light. You say, Father, the time you can't pretend. He said, child, it's not the end. He lift you up from me just a friend. You whisper, watch on your eyes again. I will rise again, higher than the trouble and the shame. Oh, I will rise again, calling on your mighty saving name. When the fire burns, you turn the ashes into flame. By your grace, by your hand, I will rise again. You walk through valley where them can't see. Smile on my face, smoke my heart feel empty. Night so long, man, I hear no sound. But you worry and you keep me strong. And it got to say you can't no more. You open up a brand new door. Every chamber divide me high. Tap down when your mercy's fly. I will rise again, higher than the trouble and the shame. Oh, I will rise again, calling on your mighty saving name. When the fire burns, the journey ashes is to flame. By your grace, by your hand, I will rise again. From the island breeze to the mountain top, you're there when we stumble, when you chop. Should no fear feel small like a mustard seed. You still provide every little need. Every setback is a setup for a blessing. When you step up, every tear look correct in your eye turns to joy.